Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So this will change everything we have seen in a foldable phone up to this point. I received a leaked image of the upcoming Oppo Find N foldable phone. Looking at the photograph, it appears like Oppo has done the best of them. If we examine closely, there is no visible crease in the middle of the fold. If you didn't understood my point, there is a flow visible in the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and Z Fold 3 because the phone will infold the screen. However, Oppo appears to have cracked that. The image also shows the most important features and the price. As I stated in my previous video, the phone will be equipped with the Snapdragon 888 processor. The screen size isn't specified, but whatever it is, the panel will have a 120Hz refresh rate. A 4500 mAh battery with a 33-watt SuperVOOC charger will be used to power the screen. This is what the image has shown us. There is still one more item. The Find N will be reportedly be vertical foldable similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The primary camera will include a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 sensor, perhaps the Sony one used by Oppo in their 2021 flagship, the Find X3 Pro. To the screen, the Oppo Find N appears to have a curved edge cover display. In addition to the leaked renders, tipster Evan Blass aka EVLeaks also tweeted Oppo Find N's alleged press renders. By showing the front and back of the foldable phone, the crisp photograph revealed the look and feel of the device. The phone also looks to come in at least 2 different colors. In addition to the images revealed by Blass, Oppo Chief Product Officer Pete Lau shared a photograph of the Oppo Find N on Weibo to highlight its design. According to the executive, the company used 125 patent methods to eliminate the Find N as foldable crinkle. As a result, he claims that the phone has nearly no crease. The hole punch design on the foldable display is also visible in the photograph. This indicates that the Oppo Find N will not have Samsung's under-display camera technology, which was introduced with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 earlier this year. Anyway, the reminder of the foldable phone experience, such as comfort in hand and the quality of the internal and external display, are arguably far more crucial, and Oppo claims to have the covered before the Find N's official launch. Talking about the pricing, seeing the image, the 8GB and 250GB variant will cost nearly 13,000 yuans, and 12GB and 512GB of variant will cost nearly 14,000 yuans. What are your thoughts on Oppo's first foldable phone? Let me know what do you think in comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.